And let's go over to our notepad for the moment. These are the ones that actually came in through email. Okay, so I've got one here from Jordan. Thank you, Jordan. Alright, what constitutes a large bar? You say to ignore the shorter bodies. So if a body is of 5 pips, good. 10, 20. Is there a way to calculate so to be unbiased? Okay, let's go ahead and open up a new window. Let's just move that out of the way. And let's move that out of the way. Alright, I'm going to right click, choose properties. I'm now going to change my background to a snowy white, and I'm going to change the foreground to black. I'm going to choose my up bar to blue. I'm going to choose my down bar to red. I'm going to choose the color for the body for the what one am I looking at here? The bull bar. So I'm going to do a lighter blue. That one will do for now. And the bear candle, I'm going to do that like a red orange. Click on OK. Now I'm going to click on the candlesticks and zoom in. Alright, and let's go over to the pivot high, pivot low. Make sure the colors are okay. And then we're going to go and get the moving average out. 50 exponential, apply to open. Click on OK. And there we have our setup. Alright, I'm just going to put that on there like so. Okay, so what constitutes a large bar? And you say to ignore the shorter bodies. Okay, well, let's see if I can get another notepad out. Okay, and let's get my screen drawer pen out. Okay, let's just assume that this is a bear bar, and bear bars come down in value. Okay, candles come in different shapes, forms and sizes. Alright, sometimes you get them as this big, sometimes they will be like that, sometimes they will be like that, sometimes they will just be like that, sometimes they will be like that, sometimes they will be like that, sometimes they will be like that with no wick. This here and this here is referred to as the wick. Okay, this is basically the high and this is basically the low. Okay, now the distance from here to here is basically where the market opened and where the market closed. The length of the body is obviously how far it moved from its open to its close. The larger the bar, the more sentiment there is behind the movement of this particular candle. The shorter the bar, the less sentiment there is. It basically means that there is indecisiveness in the market. It's not sure whether it wants to go back up, and it's not sure whether it wants to come back down. Okay, same is likewise with these dojis and dragonflies and what have you. Alright, this is basically saying that it opened up here and it also closed here, giving it basically an equal open and close price, more or less within a pip or two. Okay, this one here is basically saying how it opened here and it shot all the way up to this high and it came all the way back down again and closed where it opened. This one is basically the opposite, but vice versa. This one here is called a Marabuzu. Alright, I think I spelled this right. Please forgive me because I have dyslexia and I'm not very good with English words. Oh, boo, boo.